Hello, everybody. Welcome to a smart grasp, explore, and win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic.
Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities, Exercise 8.1. In that first sum, find the ratio of, so we are supposed to find the ratios. In that first subdivision, rupees 5 to 50 pies. I have already told you that in order to compare two quantities, both the quantities should be in the same unit. Here it is in rupees, where this is in pies. Either we have to convert this to pies or this one to rupees. After converting, we have to find the ratio of it. So let's convert rupees 5 to pies. We know that 1 rupee equal to 100 pies. Here we have 5 rupee. So 5 rupee equal to 100 into 5, which is equal to 500 pies. So we have 500 pies and 50 pies. Let's find the ratio of both. 500 by 50. Ratio is nothing but division. 0, 0 cancel. 50 by 5 equal to 10 by 1. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. This is equal to 10 is to 1. Now B sum, this is in kg and this is in gram. So let's convert it. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 15 kg equal to 1000 into 15, which is equal to 15,000 gram. We have 15,000 gram and we have 210 gram. Let's compare 15,000 divided by 210. We are finding ratio. 0, 0 cancels. 3 sevens are 3 500s are. So we have 500 by 7, which is 500 is to 7. Now see sum. 9 meter to 27 centimeter. One is in meter and the another one is in centimeter. Now let's do the conversion. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 9 meter equal to 9 into 100, which is equal to 900 centimeter. Now we have 900 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Let's find the ratio. 900 divided by 27. Straight away we can cancel in 9 table. 9 threes are 900s are. So 100 by 3, which is equal to 100 is to 3. The sum 30 days to 36 hours. Let's convert the days to hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 30 days equal to 30 into 24, which is equal to 720 hours. So we have 720 hours and 36 hours. Let's find ratio. 720 divided by 36. We can straight away cancel in 6 tables or even any other number, or we can even start from as low as 2 table or 3 table. But if we are starting from very lower value table, then it goes in multiple steps because multiple times the cancellation goes on. So here now I'm going to straight away cancel it with 6 tables. So it becomes 6 6 are 36 and 6 120s are 720. Again 6 1s are 6, 6 20s are 120. Therefore it is equal to 20 by 1, which is equal to 20 is to 1. Now let's do the second sum. Second sum, in a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. So for every 6 students, they have 3 computers. And how many computers will be needed for 24 students? So they are asking us how many computers are needed for 24 students. For 6 students, number of computers is 3. So I have just written the given statement here. So in lower classes, we have already studied that many has given and we are supposed to find the value for 1. If 1 is given and many is asked, we will do multiplication, and if is And if many is given and we have to find the value for 1, we will do division. So the same concept here. For one student, number of computers equal to, so we will divide 3 by 6. The answer is 1 by 2. So for every one student, there is half of the computer. That is, 2 students are sharing one computer, right? So for a single student, it is half of the computer. Therefore, for 24 students, number of computers equal to 1 by 2 into 24. So 1 by 2 into 24. 2 ones are 2 12s are, which is equal to 12 computers. So they have given the value for 6 students. We have found it for single. So many has given and we have found it for 1. With that 1, again we have found it for many. So we have done the multiplication, the second half of the sum. Now let's discuss the last sum. Third sum. Population of Rajasthan equal to 570 lakh and population of Uttar Pradesh is 1660 lakh. Area of Rajasthan 3 lakh kilometer square. Area of Uttar Pradesh 2 lakh kilometer square. Now first subdivision. How many people are there per kilometer square in both these states? That is, the area of Rajasthan is given as 3 lakh. Let's assume that something like this is the area of the Rajasthan, which is 3 lakh kilometer square. So they are now asking how many people are living in per kilometer square. That is, in each kilometer square, they are asking how many people are living. This is total of 3 lakh kilometer square, but in each kilometer square, we have to find the value. The total population is 570 lakh. So let's write the given. Population of Rajasthan in 3 lakh kilometer square is 570 lakh because in 3 lakh kilometer square, 570 lakh people are living. Now let's find how many people are living in per kilometer square. Like they have given many and asking single value. It is division. Therefore, population of Rajasthan in per kilometer square. 570 divided by 3. The data for many is given and they are asking us to find the data for 1. So let's divide. 570 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. We have 2 here. 3 nines are 27 and 0. So 190. Therefore, the unit is 190 people. So population of Rajasthan in per kilometer square is 190 people. In each kilometer square, that is 1 kilometer square, there are 190 people. Now let's do the same for the population of Uttar Pradesh. Population of Uttar Pradesh in 2 lakh kilometer square is equal to 1660 lakhs. So in 2 lakh kilometer square, there are 1660 lakh people. Population of UP in per kilometer square, that is 1 kilometer square equal to 1660 divided by 2, which is 830 people. Therefore, in 1 kilometer square, there are 830 people. Now, which state is less populated? Which state has less number of population? So, on comparing, we can clearly say that Rajasthan is less populated because in Rajasthan, there are 190 people per kilometer square, But in Uttar Pradesh, there are 830 people per kilometer square. Obviously, 190 is less than 830. Therefore, Rajasthan is less populated. With this, we have completed this exercise.
Thank you all for watching Smart. Grasp, explore, and win. Stay tuned for more videos.